Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Heatmaps from Hotjar for CRO, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Heatmaps from Hotjar for conversion rate optimization, start by logging into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the dashboard once you've successfully logged in. From the dashboard, locate the Heatmaps option in the left-hand menu. Click on Heatmaps to view a list of your heatmaps. Select the specific heatmap you want to download by clicking on its title. Once you are on the heatmap details page, find the export options available. Look for the download icon or the export button on this page. Click on the download icon to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to choose your preferred file format. Select the format that best suits your needs, commonly PNG or PDF. Confirm your selection to start the download. Wait for the heatmap file to generate, which may take a few moments. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Check your Downloads folder to access the heatmap file. You can now open the file using your preferred image viewer or PDF reader. Review the heatmap to analyze user interactions and inform your CRO strategy. That's the complete process for downloading heatmaps from Hotjar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.